Hey, this is Evan Littlejohn with uh, my research video for the Intro to Web Development INF 250 at Fort Hays University. Um, so I was doing some research and I was on the Mozilla Developer Network, which just kind of has some web IPs that I was looking at. And one of the cool ones that I found was over here. It's the vibration API, which allows the mobile devices to vibrate, and the developer can actually control the way the device vibrates. So you can pulse it by specifying either a single value or an array. So you use the window and then the navigator method, and then vibrate and put a little interval in here, and it's in milliseconds. Then you can actually define the type of patterns you want, so you can vibrate for an extended period, then a lesser period, then back to an extended period. And you can even come down here and use a value of 0 to cancel any of the vibrations. And eventually you can write your own functions to start and stop the vibrations based on the durations that you like. And unfortunately, it's not really usable with Safari on iOS on either the desktop or mobile versions, but it is on Chrome and Edge, Firefox, all that good stuff. And you can actually come over here and probably use it with the notification API. So this is another API that allows the developer to give the user on the web browser some notifications to allow them to do certain things. So they would allow notifications on their browser, and the developer can push things to them. It needs an HTTPS security context for that to happen, but you could use vibration perhaps with the mobile device, and then push a notification, and the vibration alerts the user to the notification to be accepted or not. And then you can come down here and you look at these additional things you can do. You can actually use a service worker to control the display notifications and the scope and how the event will be used. It is usable on a lot of the operating systems, a lot of the web browsers out there on both mobile and desktop. And there's a lot of different ways you can use it over here on the left side. Alright, so that about wraps it up. There's also a lot of other cool APIs to look at on here. A lot of storage and media. But those are the two that I thought were really cool and that could be used together. I know that there's other ones on here that were usable together. I also thought this was cool over here, the WebGL for graphics. But I haven't used that yet. I haven't used any of these, to be honest, but it seemed like the vibration one was probably the easiest one to use that I looked at. So that's it for me for my research. Thank you.